محاربه از طریق کشیدن سلاح سرد در تجمعات غیرقانونی و اغتشاشات منتهی به قتل و شهادت. متاسفانه در شهر قم در ساعات ابتدایی شب مورخ 18 سوار یگان ویژه جهت متفرق نمودن اغتشاشگران و کنترل اجتماعات وارد عمل شده و در محل حاضر می‌گردند.
This is the afternoon of Friday, the 20th day of March 2026. Yesterday, the World Watch, as the Islamic regime in Iran, executed 3 persons. And among these 3 people is a 19-year-old wrestler, a champion. And what is the main reason why they executed them? They said they were fighting Allah. They were fighting God. In the course of their protest, that it is a fight against God. People who are protesting are fighting against God. I was not that surprised because I understand that this is Sharia law. Yeah. You understand that when this Islamic regime came into power through overpowering the Persian government or Iranian government, the real Iranian government, they repeal all the whole Iranian laws and they now bring Sharia law into the country. Now, before you talk about this Iranian issue and call this Islamic regime evil, I also want you to understand that the government of Nigeria, the Islamic regime in Nigeria, that you are also campaigning for, they have done the same thing, just that some persons in Nigeria overpowered them and the world was watching. When we had that End Bad Governance protest in the year 2024, right? So after that, they arrested children and they charged children for treason, that they committed treason just for protesting. Children, minors. So what is the difference between the Islamic regime in Nigeria and the Islamic regime in Iran? The only difference is that the World Watch, the people spoke, and Tinubu don't know what to do again, and he allowed these people to go. But in the case of Islamic regime in Iran, they did not back down. They executed these people. This is so painful. It's so painful. And if anyone did not see this as something that is evil, I'm going to tell you that sooner than later, if you allow Iran to grow wings and become part of the world power tomorrow, your generations might be victim of all these things, because Iran is not just dominating in Iran. They are doing what they could do everywhere. When I mean everywhere, everywhere. For example, you see how they ship weapons, sponsor terrorism into so many countries, including Nigeria. They ship weapons, some of them enter the country, some of them were intercepted. That is whom Iran is. Now, how do people in their normal senses be supporting this Islamic regime that executed people by hanging just for protesting and saying that they sin against God, they were fighting God for protesting against the supreme leader? Like, no wonder the Chinese government said that all these Shia Muslims in their country are mentally disabled. Like, I can't comprehend this. I can't cooperate with someone who thinks like this. And this is the issue of different cultures, value system we have in Nigeria. This has nothing to do with sentiment, but if you can sit down and think about this, if you think what they are doing is right, you are the problem. You have a problem. Not just only a mental problem, you have like a failed culture. A culture that is barbaric. To think that hanging people who went out to just protest, that hanging them is reasonable, it shows that something is absolutely wrong with you. You know what? It will not continue like this, because the world will keep on resisting evil, including the evil that is going on in Nigeria.